Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve your problem when you have a BitLocker drive and you forgot the password of it and you don't know how to unlock this. So I've got a fix for this and how you can do this. So let's get started. First, open CMD and then you have to type this code from manage to E. The E represents the letter of your BitLocker drive. If it is D, so you have to remove E and enter D here. As you can see, mine is D, so I typed D here. Now, once you hit enter, it will give you a password. Just copy this one, and then what you have to do is come back to here and then remove this, and then paste the paste the password which you copied, and then click on unlock. And hopefully your problem solves, and the BitLocker drive is unlocked now. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.